Hi, and welcome back to Ebony Rogers' channel. Ebony is currently at work and the house is kind of messy. So we are doing a video takeover and we're taking over her channel right today. Yeah, and what's your name?
Ebony.
That's Eleni, and who are you? To Ebony. You are her
daughter.
Okay, so you're Eleni, Ebony's daughter, and I'm Lee. I know she talks about me from time to time. I'm Lee, and so let's get into the video. Oh, before we get into the video, actually, if you are not already subscribed to her channel, make sure you do that. And if you are, we want to say thank you for being subscribed to her channel. It does not go unnoticed. If you are a part of her little family here, she works very hard, and because of you, she continues to do what she does. And let us know, I don't know how this video is going to go. It might go horrible, we don't really know, but let us know in the comments down below if you would like for us to do more video takeovers. I know you you see us in and out. She does all the work, she does all the cleaning, organization, that's her thing. So we try not to get in the way, but you will occasionally in her video see us walking in and out. But this is strictly gonna be me and Eleni trying to tackle what she does on a day-to-day basis. So stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video I'm bringing you a different type of video. It is a clean with us type video. So Eleni and Lee decided to surprise me and clean the entire house. So I was at work, I think it was like a Saturday. We normally don't work on Saturdays at our shop, so it was definitely one of those type days that it was not expected. So it was really nice to come home to a clean house, and I just thought this was too cute not to share. So hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did editing it. So let's get right into it.
Stop for us. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave.
We'll put this in the room.
In your room? Alright, go ahead.
Hi guys, this is my dog. Wait first. Hey. the fluffy dog.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me that's alright.
I'm showing them.
It's just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you.
First, these are my clips. You see these? They're for your hair. And these rubber bands, they are for like for my hair. So let's put them.
And to me that's alright. You know, to me that's alright.
This is my gel for my hair, and this is my hairbrush. And this is for me to comb my hair. And you know, these are my lipstick.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but
I'm about to clean my mirror because it's dirty, so it's glass cleaner. So I'm about to clean it. So let's go clean it.
I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot. Now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be. You know I'm on your side.
My mirrors are clean. Now I'm going to the next room.
Around you. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay.
All right, so we're finally finished cleaning the living room and putting the dishes away
And my mom's bed.
in the bedroom. Yes, and Eleni's bathroom. It is indeed a lot of work. I hope Ebony will be appreciative of it. We may record her reaction when she walks in. I don't really know if she would have a reaction. Probably not, but maybe we'll record it, maybe not. Who knows? But we want to say thank you for watching us today. Take over Ebony's YouTube channel. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit that bell down below. And also comment if you would like to see any more content. And what does Bay always say? As always, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.